What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an ice cream sandwich cake. And you're saying, Black Owl, is it a sandwich? Is it a cake? It's both, baby. And it's beautiful. And I want to see it, so let's get to it. Yeah, come on. That's right, baby. The ice cream sandwich cake. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, cake. Is it your birthday? No, so don't bring the Beatles out. So, you know, the thing about it is, it's mid-July, and man, it is hot. I'm talking like 100 degrees hot. You might as well be walking on the sun like Smash Mouth. So, I wanted something to cool me down, baby, and something easy to make. And this is the stuff, man, because this is the only cake that you don't gotta bake. You know what I'm talking about? And you'll have that good ice cream in there too, that Blue Bunny. So, but we ain't using Blue Bunny today because of the funny money. So, first thing that you gotta do, go ahead and put your ice cream sandwiches on the bottom of your sandwich. Like, oh, looks like you already got the thing assembled, man. You couldn't wait on us again? Well, no, because I ain't got time for that shit. And ice cream, it's gonna melt, so we need to hurry. So, put your ice cream sandwiches down on the bottom. You start out with about 6 and put them on one side. And then to fill the other side, you just break some in half and put them down. Now, you want to hustle because it's going to get messy. It's going to be like messy Marv. So, then once you get your ice cream sandwiches down, go ahead and get you some chocolate ice cream. Now, you're saying to yourself, like, oh, I like a strawberry better. Well, go ahead and use strawberry. Use vanilla, use whatever you want. Me, I think I'm going to go for the double dose of chocolate. So, take that chocolate ice cream and put it on top and spread it out like you would cake icing stern. So, we're going to be having more ice cream than Big Worm. Now, woo! Next thing that you do, put you another layer, a double layer, a brick house like old Lionel Richie, on top of that previous layer of ice cream. Same way that you did on the bottom with the ice cream sandwiches, line those up nice and right, nice and tight, and make a little uniform cake stuff. Then, next thing that you need is the Cool Whip. And today, I'm just going to use a whipped topping. But isn't it funny how there's some things in the world that you just call by the brand name even though they're not the brand name? Kind of like Cool Whip and Kleenex and things like that. What else is like that? Tell me down below in the comments. So, then, we got our Cool Whip. And you know, good thing about this is, every once in a while, you got to do some quality control, you know. I got a bad sweet tooth, so the ones that are left. Anyways, now the last thing, the piece de resistance, the good. So good. Go ahead and get you some Oreo, and this ain't for dunking in no milk there, Garfield. It is for crunching up and putting like a garnish on the top. Makes it look pretty, makes it taste good. Kind of got an old cookies and cream deal going on here, if you know what I mean. Not peaches and cream 112, but the cookies. So, Cookie Monster would love it. Now, once you got those sprinkled up, you got them put on there, take your lid, and you're saying to yourself, like, oh, where'd you get that cool pan? Well, about $5 at the stove. If you ain't got one of these, you can use what you got around the house, but to me, this thing's gonna work pretty good, and when we've eaten all this ice cream cake, which ain't gonna take long, you can throw this sucker away and no dishes. I love it. So, go ahead and put this on top. We're gonna put it in the freezer, like Arnold Schwarzenegger in Batman. And then we will go ahead and wait about an hour. We'll come back. We'll be ready to have a sight. We'll be ready to have a big old frosty bite of this ice cream cake. Good stuff tonight. So, I can't wait, boy. Alright, baby, the time has come. The ice cream sandwich cake is done. And I'm having that first cool little bite for me. I get my fork ready to go, boy. Like I said, this has been sitting in there about an hour, maybe a little more. And I'm sure ready for a sweet treat if I can get it on my fork. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Delicious, man. That sucker right there puts old Dairy Queen to shame, sir. So, good sweet stuff. And speaking of good sweet stuff, before I let you go, I've been meaning to tell you all this forever. I've been dropping the ball because I've had these for a long time. You're saying, like, I what you got there? This here, if I can get it right, Cooking with Black Guy with t-shirt, baby. It's stylish, it's sexy, it's sleek, and not too expensive. So, if you want one of these, you want to look good, real good, get a hold of me on my social media and we'll get you one sent to you. Now, I want to thank y'all for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Guy. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking adventures right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all enjoy your night or your day or your afternoon, whatever it is. I'm going to enjoy this damned ice cream. We'll see you later. Oh man.